Are you tired of constant production delays, unexpected equipment breakdowns, or inefficiencies that drain your profits? Do you own a business that involves turning raw materials into finished or semi-finished products? If so, you know how critical it is to keep operations running smoothly and efficiently. At Omitech Group, we understand these challenges, and we're here to help. We specialize in industrial automation, creating advanced systems that make your processes faster, more reliable, and cost-effective. Imagine achieving more in less time with fewer errors. When it comes to industrial maintenance and repair, we're the team you can count on. Our services ensure your machines are always in top condition, minimizing downtime and keeping your business on track. Looking to improve efficiency? Our business process optimization solutions are designed to eliminate waste, streamline workflows, and increase profitability. For technical projects, we offer mechanical design and analysis. From innovative designs to precision analysis, we make sure your systems are built to perform and last. And to keep you competitive, we provide research and expert training services. With tailored training and in-depth research, we'll equip your team with the knowledge and skills needed to stay ahead in today's fast-paced industrial landscape. Omitech Group brings expertise, innovation, and a results-driven approach to every project we take on. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today at +255 759 511 460, email us at contactus@omitech.tz, or reach out directly. Omitech Group, transforming industries, one solution at a time.